A number 4. I'm going to give you an exponential equation instead of a logarithmic equation. So a to the power of log n base a of x equals x. You don't want to know that these just cancel and you just get x, because otherwise you'd have a floating exponent. So if you think about why it happens, it really happens in two different ways. The way that I'll explain here has to do with the power rule, but the simplest way is if you rewrote this as a logarithmic phrase, you would have log, and then whatever the base is what you'd start with. So a of x from the answer equals the exponent, which is log n base a of x. So simply rewriting it as a logarithm from an exponential, you would get a statement that is always true. However, there's also another way to explain it, which is certainly a lot more confusing than that. But basically, if you rewrote it in log form, that was what I said before. But technically, you can take the log in base a of both sides. So it's log in base a of a to the log in base a of x equals log in base a of x. And if you've done the power rule lesson, when you do that, the exponent can come down out in front. You would have the log in base a of a's cancel, and you would have only log in base a of x equals, and on the right side it would also be log in base a of x.